Okay, probably you're all listening to me. I'm reducing my voice. As Ananya said, there is some echoing effect, and the noise, uh, the problem with the voice and the noise, they say. Yeah, fine. Yeah, listen to me. This is with regard to the market size. As we all know, okay, till 1819 and even the 1920 and the first half of 1920 also, everything was fine. Please listen to me carefully. If you have any questions, please raise. You can raise your the questions, and I'm ready to answer. Up to 1819 and 1920 and the first quarter, I can say till March, everything was fine with regard to service industry. It was doing so well, so fantastic. The GDP contribution was fine, and travel, tourism, transportation, everything was going well, especially to the tourism and transportation and the hotel industry, hospitality and all. But they say that after 1920, it's like there was slight decline. People say it is 7% reduction. The service industry was a key driver of India's economic growth. As we all know, the sector contributed 55.39 percentage to the India's gross value added at current price in the financial year 2020. And now, if you take 2020, 1920 and 2020-21, earlier it was 55.39 percentage. I am looking at the performance of service industry in India. Okay, I'm looking at what is called as the performance of service industry. This is the service industry. The performance of service industry in India. One is 1920. Next is 2021. In the year 2019-20, the aggregate contribution was around 55 percentage. Now, because of the pandemic totally, and most importantly, it was reduced to 42.8 percentage or 42.8 lakh crore, and compared to this is 44.66 percentage, and a reduction of 4.2 percentage, showing in the year 2021 there was a reduction of contraction, means reduction, reduce, decline in the year of 2021. Okay, there was a reduction of up to 4.2 percentage. There was a reduction of 4.2 percentage of its contribution. If you say 55 and if you say 4, approximately 4 percentage, okay, it was just around 50-51. That was 2021, and still we have not yet received, okay, you don't have any kind of what is called as these public documents with regard to the performance of service industry in the year 21-22. It is going to be still less, I tell you. It's going to be still less. Maybe around 6 to 7% of reduction, as far as my expectation is concerned. Okay, it's going to be somewhere around 45-46%. That was the total effect, the total cascading effect of reduction. Okay, with regard to this 1920, 2021, and 2021, 21-22, there was a total that probably you can expect a total reduction of around 10%. It's the complete tourism, travel, hospitality, hotel industry, the entire I can say entertainment. I can say even the film industry, the film sector, entertainment services, recreation services, all were totally, there was a halt, standstill situation. Standstill situation. We got to hotel industry, hospitality, tourism, travel, logistics, and even recreation. But this film industry. All these things may lead to such situations. May lead to such situations may lead to an approximate reduction of an approximate reduction of what is called as 10% in cumulative. With regard to when it comes to the year, when it comes to the performance for the past 2 years. Okay, people said, as you all know, okay, during 1819 it was around 55 plus, but now it has been reduced to 40, 45. Look at the reduction because of the pandemic. And I said, I have mentioned the reasons too. With regard to the standstill situation, okay, when it comes to the industries and their performance, like hotel, hospitality, tourism, travel, logistics, recreation, film industry, so on and so forth. And the India Services Business Activity Index, services, purchasing, managed, these are all the performance measures, I can say. Okay, fell to 54 in April 2021 from 54.2 6 in March 2021. Just look at this one single month from April, March and April. These are all the indices that you can measure the service industries and their performances. Okay, you can say India Services Business Activity Index. You can please Google it. Please Google it. What is called as India Services Business Activity Index. India Services Business Activity Index. You can just Google it. Hello, am I audible? I want somebody should present with regard to India Services Business Index for the past 5 years. From 1415 to 1920, I need the total index. Forget about 2021 and 2022, it's all known factor. There was total reduction at least. Okay, for the past 5 years, I want to know the index and its performance. Okay, who are ready to take the chance? You have to Google it. India Services Business Activity Index. Business Activity Index. India Services Business Activity Index. It is Business Activity Index. Okay. Who is going to present with regard to the topic of India Services Business Index for the past 5 years? India Services Business Activity Index during the year 2014-15 to 2019-20. My God, 2019-20. Hello, who is ready? Rakshit? Hello, you need to participate. It's not just simple job of mugging. It's not simple job of just looking at the PPT and then going off and sleeping. Manoj RD, Siddiq, Ananya tomorrow is presenting on Johnson & Johnson products, baby care products and its services. And I need some of any one of you to come forward to present on the topic, the performance index of service sector in India. And you can consider this service index, India Services Business Activity Index. Hello, Gautam K. Google it, work it, draft it. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Gautam K. Yes, man. Put it in the chat box. You are not audible. There is some mic issue. Hello. Gautam K. Rakshit MR. Manoj. Are you audible? Am I audible to you? I said. Play. If any one of you is not coming forward to present it, I'll give you one question as an assignment to prepare, okay, a draft with regard to India Services Business Activity Index. Okay, certain, I'll mention certain period. Can you, yeah, Manoj RD, listen to me carefully. When it comes to India and its service sector and performance measurement, there are several indexes or indices available to measure their growth and the performance and the GDP contribution. One among them is, okay, as we consider, okay, India Services Business Activity Index, and we have several other even, marketing indices too. And you can consider India Services Business Activity Index. Okay, you can Google it, and there are certain data available with regard to the performance of travel and tourism, performance of hotel and hospitality industry, the performance of your IT services, okay, and all the whole lot of industry and the performance measurements, year to year growth performance is mentioned. And just you need to get the secondary data, go to the website of this particular India Services Business Activity Index, collect the data, prepare a draft, okay, if possible make it more simple, okay, you can everything you can represent in the form of a tabular form and present it. I need the complete data for the year 2014-15 to 2019-20 so that we can have a business trend. Graphically, you can represent it. If you are good at Excel, okay, if you put all the numbers in your Excel plant and others on the other side, the number of years, you will get a trend line, and that will give you the exact picture of the performance of service sector, management of service sector in India. Are you ready? Manoj RD, can you do it? Table work, system work, laptop work. Hello? Manoj? Please tell me, please answer. By another 2 or 3 days, I am closing this unit number 1. Manoj, you are not answering, man. Hello, Manoj? Am I audible? On what day you decide? Next Thursday? Is it fine? Is it fine? Okay, sure, you said fine. Good. Manoj is going to, yeah, Manoj is going to present, okay, his, I can say draft, the idea and the data, the collected secondary data, I can say, based on the website and its reporting, based on the website and its drafted details with regard to business activity and its performance. Fine? Okay, and I'll just continue further. These are all the key industry developments when it comes to 2020. As I said earlier, I have taken only 1 year data to make it more simplified, and that is the reason why I am asking Manoj to present the complete performance index for the past 5 years of data. Manoj RD, please make it more legible, make it more simplified. Okay, use tables and charts and diagrams, and so that we present it, and if possible, prepare a PPT. Okay, and then you can present it. That is going to be a great learning for you. Okay, only textbook based learning. Okay, somebody has written a textbook for the past 10 years back, and you're reading the same book today. Things are changing on a quite higher speed. You cannot delay the learning. You cannot delay the learning. You cannot deny the learning. You will be obsolete. You will be totally lost otherwise. That's what I said. Obsolete means you will get older very early. You are going to be the last person in the race. That too when it comes to business and its learning, business and its administration, business and its management, business and its opportunities, business and its growth are all multifaceted, are all multi-dimensional aspects. They're all connected together with regard to sociology, anthropology, economics, human development, economics, and overall performance of the country. You cannot forget, you cannot deny this fact. Without business, no country, no nation, no service, no society exists. Business is the blood of all human activities. Business is the blood. And business administration is the nerve system, is the control system, without which your total country collapses. Your total economy and the system collapses. That's the reason why people fear when it comes to lockdown and such kind of situations, because you are putting a total halt, you are putting a total stop to the complete economic activities. That's what Modi said. Honorable Prime Minister Modi said that lockdown is the last option, is the last resort. You can remember the newspaper reports. And when it comes to service industry, it is 100% sure. It is 100% perfect. Yes, that without the performance of service industry, your country will be totally lost. Your economic system will not sustain. Your per capita income, revenue generation will be totally lost. Without business, no existence. Without business and its performance, without service sector and its performance, there is no existence to mankind. Am I right? Hello? Manoj? What get ready means what? I'm not getting you. I'm not able to understand what do you mean by this word get ready. Am I right? Manoj, I hope you have listened to me. If possible, you can listen to my audio again. Okay, I'm going to upload this video shortly. Okay, Manoj RD, what do you mean by this? Get ready means what? Get ready means what? What do you mean by that? Who has to get ready? Either me or you. Hello? Manoj? Reply, man. I'm not getting you. Get ready means, I don't know what exactly you mean, in what sense, in what context. Okay, you are posting this message. Next is when it comes to 2020 and its performance December. there was a lot of development with regard to healthcare services. Healthcare services. People are thinking of developing a new concept called as vaccine tourism. People are thinking to develop, the people at top level, both industry partners, the healthcare professionals, administrators, political leaders, the funding agencies, NGOs, all these people are thinking in terms of developing a new concept, a new concept a new concept called as vaccine tourism. Got it? Any questions? I have one more class at 11 o'clock. I have to close it by, okay, it's already 10 o'clock, 49 minutes. I'll be closing bit early, maybe 10:50, 52 or 53, I'll be closing it. Okay. And these key industry developments are majorly with regard to what is called as digital innovations. Key industry developments. Key industry developments are predominantly with regard to healthcare and digital revolution, healthcare and digital innovations. Healthcare and digital innovations. Right? Yeah. Again, it continues. Okay. There are a lot many agreements are happening between Government of India and other partnering agencies. As we all know, okay, we are going to have this IT revolution with regard to what is called as Ambani's group and the Google. There is an agreement, and again, Bharti Airtel has launched what is called as Business Central Airtel IQ. It's going to be a new concept. Recently, it is launched. Okay, somebody can even think of presenting it on Airtel's digital innovations in communication industry. Take the topic. If somebody is interested, you are ready to present it. Digital innovations of Airtel telecommunications. Digital innovations by Airtel. Digital innovations by Airtel. You can present it. You can write an essay. Hello? Can you take this as a topic for your assignment? Digital innovations by Airtel. Hello? Dhruv, can I give it to you as an assignment for all of you? But you should not copy. Digital innovations by Airtel. Are you ready? A descriptive writing. Airtel telecommunication, Airtel communication services. Hello? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Is it fine? Any questions? Nobody is responding. They're all fear of, taking up the responsibilities. I don't know. Gautam replied, yes, sir. Okay, fine. Okay, then, take this as a topic for your assignment. One question is already given to you. Write an essay on digital innovations by Airtel Communications. I'll put it in the group shortly. Okay, in a proper format, a question as an assignment question. Digital innovations by Airtel Communications. Launch of business-centric Airtel IQ. Intelligent quotient. It's all about AI-enabled digital innovations by Airtel. I hope so. Okay, that's it for today. I'm closing it, and please stay there for a moment. I'm going to download it at your attendance.